Hello, we got this delivery iPhone 12 Pro Max 128 GB gold. Let's unbox this. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Look at that. iPhone 12 Pro Max gold 128 GB. Let's open that. Wow. Look at that. That's lovely. Oh, look at the side. Here, this side. Let me open this. Wow, that's so nice and lovely. Let me put it here. Okay, and what we got this, which is a charging cable. So yeah, it's normal iPhone 7 6 like charging cable. Another side is the USB-C port. Okay, what's this? Oh, we have Apple and this pin to open the SIM. That's it. So let's start it. Yeah, so box is lovely. Look, and look at this. Hola, hello, bonjour. Swipe up, select English region. Okay, set up manually. Language English. Continue. Okay, that's our Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Later, create a passcode. Okay, restore from iCloud backup. Transfer. Move. Okay, don't transfer. Apple ID. Option service. Pay setup later. iCloud keychain. Continue. Siri, continue. Setup later. Continue. Not now. Screen time. Continue. Appearance, light or dark. I think light. Display zoom standard. Welcome to iPhone. Oh, look at that. Looks so nice. Things and look at the camera. Okay, Let me take a picture of this. Wow, so clear. And if I have to make video, zoom, that's a nice video result is very nice. What other stuff? So others stuff are same like other iPhone. And where's the App Store? Is the App Store. We need to um, download some stuff from here, like let's say Signal, or you can do like this as well in this one, Signal, Signal, and you get it installed. So it's installing. Also, installation was so quick. Okay, other features are same like the other iPhone. So let's close it and let's look at the view. Look at that. That's lovely. Light and cameras. And there's one front camera. Look at this. Look at the border and finishing. That's lovely. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.